Hello everyone. Today lesson is talking about weight. We said before length units and capacity units. Today we are going to talk about weight units. And our general rule, as we studied before, from big to small multiply, and from small to big divide. Okay, let's start our lesson. Open your book, page 597, lesson 10.3. How can we compare between customary units of weight and convert between weight units? Okay, now to convert between weight units, you have to know something about this. Okay, we have here in this diagram, we have this units of weight, 1 pound, which is denoted with LB, equals 16 ounces, which is denoted with OZ. This is simple. Okay, and we have here 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. Okay, now we have pounds here and ounces here. Pound here is greater than ounces. So if we are going to convert between two units, you have to be sure that you're going to convert from big to small, small to big. So here in this case, we're going to convert from big unit to small unit. So we have to multiply here by 16. And in the opposite direction, if you want to convert from ounces to pounds, you have to divide by 16. Okay, now the next unit is ton. And ton is the greatest unit of weight. So if you want to convert from ton to pounds, you have to multiply by 2,000 because of 1 ton equal 2,000 pounds. In the opposite direction, if you want to convert from pound to ton, so you'll convert from small unit to big unit. So you have to divide by 2,000. Okay, it's very simple, it's very easy rule. Big to small, multiply, small to big, divide. And we have only 3 units here. The biggest unit is ton and pounds, and the smallest unit is ounces. Okay, let's move back to our lesson and let's see here this story problem. Hector's school is having a model rocket contest. To be in the contest, each rocket must weigh 4 pounds or less without any paint. Hector's rocket weighed 62 ounces. If Hector wants to paint his rocket, what is the weight of the most paint he can use? Okay, the weight of an object is how heavy the object is. And as we learned before, 1 pound equals 16 ounces. Okay, now he asked me to convert 4 pounds to ounces. Okay, so we are going to convert from pound to ounces. So let's ask ourselves here, from pound to ounces, let's convert. What we're going to convert here? From big to small or small to big? Yes, from big to small because pounds is greater than or bigger than ounces. So you have to multiply here by 16. So 4 pounds multiplied by 16 to get the number in ounces, which is 64. And then subtract the rocket's weight from the total ounces of a rocket can weigh to be in the contest. Okay, so we have to subtract 62 from 64 to equals 2. So the weight of the paint can be at most 2 ounces for Hector's model rocket to be in the contest. Okay, let's move to the next page. So it's very simple to convert between units of weight. You have to remember how many ounces per pound and how many pounds per ton. Okay, here in this example, the rocket boosters for a US space shuttle weigh 1,292,000 pounds each when the shuttle is launched. How many tons does each rocket booster weigh? You're going to use mental math to convert pounds here to tons. So to convert between pounds to tons, okay, let's think about it. Pounds to ton, big to small, small to big. Yes, small to big because pounds is smaller than ton. So you have to divide. Yes, so you have to divide here because you're converting here from small unit to big unit. So you have to divide. Divide by what? Divide by 2000 because 1 ton equals 2000 pounds. Okay, now we can divide it by 1000 first and then divide the answer here by 2, or you can divide it directly by 2000. Okay, let's see how can we divide by 2000. Okay, now divide this number by 2000. Now if you want to divide, you have to cancel the zeros first, because in the division operation, if you want to divide, cancel the same number of zeros in both numbers. So we have 3 zeros in both numbers, cancel them out. After that, we have here 1292 divided by 2. Okay, let's do it by long division as we studied before. It's very easy. As long division here, 1292 divided by 2. How many numbers here? How many digits here? We have 4 digits, so we're going to put 4 dashes. After that, we ask ourselves, 1 divided by 2 equal what? 1 is smaller than 2, so we can't divide. So we are going to put 0 up and 0 down. Then we are going to subtract. 1 minus 0 equals 1 and bring down 2 becomes 12. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And then 6 multiplied by 2 equals 12. Subtract it equals 0 and bring down 9. 9 divided by 2. How many 2 in 9? Is 4. Because 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. Okay, subtract them, it will be 1. And bring down 2. It will be 6 because 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And then let's move down a little bit. Okay, so it will be 12, and subtract them, it will be 0. So the answer here is 646, and we cancel this 0 because 0 on the left has no meaning. Okay, let's move to our lesson. So the answer is 646. So each rocket booster weighs 646 in tons when launched. Okay, let's move to the next exercise. Here we have some exercise to convert between pounds to ounces. Okay, between pounds to ounces, from pounds to ounces, it will be from big to small, small to big. Yes, big to small, because pound is greater than ounces. So we are going to move from pound to get ounces. So we're going to multiply because we are going to convert from big to small. So we are converting here from big to small. So we are going to multiply by what? Multiply by 16, because pound equals 16 ounces. Okay, and the same here. Each time we are convert between pounds to ounces, we multiply by 16. So all of them the same way. Multiply the number by 16 to get the answer. Okay, now convert 15 pounds equal how many ounces? Okay, let's write with me the steps. We have here 15 pounds equals what? Okay, 15 pounds equal what ounces here? Okay, firstly, we are going to convert between pounds to ounces. So we're going to multiply by 16. Okay, let's multiply here by 16. 15 by 16. As we said before, if you want to multiply two-digit number by two-digit number, you have to multiply 6 first by 15. So 6 by 15 equal what? 6 by 5 equal 30, 0 and carry 3. 1 multiplied by 6 equal 6 and 3, 9. After that, we're going to multiply by 1. But before that, you have to put 0 first before you're going to multiply by 1. 5 multiplied by 1 equal 5. 1 multiplied by 1 equal 1. Then add them together. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 9 plus 5 equals 14. 4 and carry 1. And 2. So the answer here is 240. So 15 pounds equal 240 ounces. Okay. Here we have 3 ton equal how many pounds? So 3 tons. We're going to convert from ton to pound. So we're converting here from big unit to small unit. So we're going to multiply by what? Yes, we're going to multiply by 2000. So it will be 6000 here. ounces to pound. So small to big or big to small? Yes, small to big, because ounces is smaller than pounds. So we are going to divide. Divide by what? Divide by 16. Yes. Okay, so 300. Let's make a new one. 320 divided by, you have to write all the steps. Okay guys, to memorize how can we do it, by 16. So we have here 320 divided by 16 equals, okay, let's make it as long division. 320 divided by 16. Okay, now how many digits here? We have 3 digits. So you have 1, 2, 3. After that, 3 divided by 16 equals 0. Yes, because 3 divided by 16 can't be. 3 is smaller than 16. So put 0 up, put 0 down. It will be 3. Bring down 2. It will be 32 divided by 16. It will be 2. 32 here minus 0. But we have 0 remainder here. What we're going to do with it? Bring it out. Because if we have 0 at the end here remaining, don't bring it down, bring it up. So the answer is, let's cancel this 0 because on the left has no meaning. So the answer is 20. So it will be 20 pounds. Okay, this is the first part of our lesson. We are going to continue this lesson in the next video, inshallah. Thank you for listening, guys. I hope you understood all this. And if you have any questions, tomorrow, inshallah, at 12 p.m., our virtual class. If you have any problem, just inform me and I will explain it in this virtual class. Thank you, guys, and goodbye.